This is frequency modulation and demodulation ME770. This kit experiment of circuits different type. Here is audio oscillator circuit, and this detects modulation and vector modulation, and this is fault switch. Here is mixer amplifier, and this water detector. Here is Foster Silly ratio detector circuit. Here is amplifier limiter, and this T-tuned resonant detector, PALL detector. This low pass filter amplifier, and here is final output of TP73. Now switch on the instrument and check on audio oscillator. Connect. Here is frequency potentiometer and this amplitude of potentiometer, and here is frequency variable on CRO signal sine wave, and this connect audio oscillator, and this audio input connect with patch cord with ground, and here is FM output. This, and here is selector switch, vector and reactor selected. This waveform FM output. Here is set of frequency 455 kilohertz, and this and now output of VCO FM output, and see the output of CRO. Adjust variable audio oscillator frequency with help frequency potentiometer. Now see the FM output, and this again output audio input connect with patch cord, and this FM output with input quarter detector with patch cords, and output circuit of quarter detector, and output final TP73, and this output of demodulator. Again connect the circuit, and this variable frequency port with amplitude, and now see after output. Here is sine wave circuit detune resound detector. And here is output of water detector. Here is sine wave. And according to the manual, all experiment follow the step by step instruction manual for frequency modulation and demodulation, ME 770. And this is diagram of circuits. And here is experiment 1 to study frequency modulation using vector modulator. And here is second experiment of all experiment follow the step by step procedure. And this all experiment with diagram connection follow the kits and perform the frequency modulation and demodulation. Thank you.